Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Soap Dispenser Lever. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new soap dispenser lever. The soap dispenser lever is what you use to open and close the soap dispenser door. The main reason to be changing it out is if the latch is broken or the shaft is damaged and the door isn't working right. In order to get to the part, we're going to open up the dishwasher door, and then we can use our Phillips screwdriver to remove all the screws so we can take out the inner door liner. Before we take the inner door liner out, we're going to put a towel up on the countertop so we can work on the door liner without scratching the counter. With all the screws out of the door, we're going to carefully separate the inner liner from the outer door and lift it off. As you lift it up, you want to slowly let the door come up because without the weight of the inner panel, it's not going to stay open. In order to get the soap dispenser lever out, we have to first remove this little pin that goes into it. All you have to do is grab with the pliers and pull it out. We can lift the door up a little bit and grab the lever from underneath. And you want to squeeze these two tabs together and then push down. Once you have it pressed through, you can pull the lever and the cover off from the other side. Once you have the assembly out, we can separate the lever and the cover, and we're going to leave the cover with the dishwasher. Here's the old soap dispenser lever next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. First thing we're going to do to put the new lever in is put the door on it, and then we're going to carefully lift up the door and feed it through the hole, and we're going to put it as if it's in the open position. As we lower the door down, we're going to put this pliers on the countertop. You can put anything down there. If you don't put anything there, the handle's going to drop down just a little bit and you may not be able to snap the cam on. Once you have that in place, you can lower the inner door down. To put the cam on, you want to make sure that the spring hook is right here in its little catch. And you have to make sure that you line up the little tabs on each side of the shaft with the openings on the cam. So we're going to rotate this over and push it into place while you're holding the spring. You want to make sure that this part here goes right here. Once you have it lined up, you can push it down so it snaps into place. Then we're going to take our finger and grab the spring and push it over behind this locking tab right here, making sure that it goes under this gray part right here. If you have to, you can turn the cam a little bit. Once you have the spring in place, we're going to put in the little locking pin. All you have to do is press down on it to lock it in place. And then we're going to lift the door up a little bit and pull that pliers out. And then supporting the door, you can make sure everything rotates freely. Once you're sure you have it in there right, we can put it back in the dishwasher. To put the inner door liner back on, we're going to open up the door and kind of hold it open while we grab the inner door liner and carefully set it down there. Once you have all the holes lined up on the inner door liner, you can put all the screws back in. Once you have all the screws back in, you can pull the towel out of the way and close the dishwasher door. Plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.